Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, I hope everybody would be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to remove your Google Ads campaign. If you want to remove a campaign from the Google Ads, how to do that? इस ट्यूटोरियल में मैं आपको ये बताऊंगी कि कैसे आप आसानी के साथ Google Ads से अपनी कोई कैंपेन रिमूव कर सकते हैं. So for that you need to go to the campaigns and you have to click this campaigns tab. इसको क्लिक करें और जो कैंपेन आप डिलीट करना चाहते हैं या रिमूव करना चाहते हैं, you have to click on that or select that. So for removing a campaign from the Google Ads, you can see a list here. You would have a similar list in the campaign section. You just check the box here. The campaigns that you want to remove, you have to check their boxes, and then here there's an edit tab. You have to click on that, and then there are certain options here. You can enable, pause or remove. So you want to remove the campaign, so therefore you will click on remove, and then Google Ads will give you or show you a confirmation message. It's saying permanently remove two campaigns. Once a campaign is removed, it can't be re-enabled. So once you remove a campaign, it can't be re-enabled. So if you want to do that, you have to make sure before removing the campaign that you don't need it any longer. So here I'm clicking on confirm, and then it is removing your campaigns, and now the message is two campaigns removed. So this is how you can easily and quickly remove Google Ads campaign from your Google Ads account. Hope you like this video tutorial. So if you like it, then please don't hesitate to give a thumbs up, and it won't cost you anything, but it means a lot for me. So kindly encourage me by giving me a thumbs up. If you're new here, most welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Thank you so much. See you next time with something more informative and knowledgeable. Take care.